afternoon, before ever watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Math Class, the channel so you dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, we have a question that borders on integration. Here we're asked to find, evaluate this value, the integral of root x dx. So the first thing we do, we write the exponent form of root x, which is the same thing as, these are the limits of the function. Root x is the dx is the same thing as this, x to the power of half dx. That's the first thing we take, this root to the exponent form. Alright, the next thing we do after we have done it, now we find the antiderivative of this. And what do? We apply the integration formula. If you have a function like this, x to the power of n is the same thing as integral of x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. So here we apply this into this. So this becomes the integral of x 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. 1 over 2 plus 1, that's 3 over 2. So this becomes, which is equals to, okay, let's put our limits, the upper, this becomes x to the power of 3 over 2 over, this is 3 over 2 still, 3 over 2, then we have our upper and the lower, the boundaries, upper boundary, the lower boundary. This is 9 and 0. So the next thing we do, bring this 3 over 2 up, so it turns to 2 over 3 times x to the power of 3 over 2. Let's put our boundary 9 and 0. So we impute the value of the upper limit and the lower limit. Here this is 9, we put it here, we subtract it from the lower one, so this becomes 2 over 3 into bracket 9 raised to the power of 3 over 2 minus 2 over 3 into bracket 0 raised to the power of 3 over 2. Now from here, this 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2. So I say this is 2 over 3 into bracket 3 to the power of 2. It's about 3 over 2. This and this will go off, minus anything to the power of 0. 0 to the power of this is 0. 0 times this is 0. So everything here becomes 0. Now, so we have 2 to the power over 3 into bracket 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3, and 3 to the power of 3 is 27. That's 3 times 3 times 3. So we are left 2 over 3 times 27. So 3 here 1, 3 here 9. 9 times 2 is what? 18. So this is the value of this. I hope you enjoyed the service of today. If you enjoyed the class for today, the explanation, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Math Class, a channel so dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content of the channel. To meet again in the next Mickey Math Class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.